guys, so I wanted to film this quick unboxing of the March cloth and paper subscription box. I did get this in the mail. I was busy over the weekend, so I wasn't able to film it, but I thought I'd just get it up because I am going into the office tomorrow, so I was going to do it tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to have that much time, so I thought I'd rather just suck it up and just do it today. So anyways, this is the box as usual that it comes in, and of course it has like it says there's luxury and simplicity. I love the packaging, and I do have to think that this is like genius. This is basically where the Penspiration subscription would go into the box, so I think that's super cute. So it kind of gives you an idea of what it would look like. You got this card that has everything that's included in this month's box. So we got dashboards, daily wellness bundle, week overview, pad overview, tab divider, which I'm so excited about. Essential pouch, wellness sticker kit, wellness half sticky, note trio, window cling, and then some journaling cards as well. So yeah, so super excited about that. This is the packaging that's part of the box, and this is basically everything that's in here. So this is the essentials pouch, which is really cute. I really do think this is adorable. So it basically opens like this. You can store your stickers in here, journaling cards in here. I think it's like a really cute durable plastic, which is great. The next thing in here are these icon sticky activity wellness sticker sets, and it says this is an Aspen and it's 3 sticker sets. So it looks like we get these icons, drops, and as well as just different things. It says rise early, go outside, hydrate, relax. 70 icons, 24 drops, and 24 texts and 60 drops. So set of 3 includes 1 full sheet of each variety. So that's awesome. I love these transparent stickers. They're so beautiful. And let's get into the big goodie bag of stuff that's in here. So, there's the little bag out of the way. First thing that I've seen here, this says wellness, mental and physical. Looks like this is a dashboard, which I love. Next thing that I've seen here, I think this is a window cling. It says life shrinks or expands in proportions to one's courage. So this is really cute. Love that. Next thing that I've seen here are these half sticky notes, wellness trackers. So it says stretch, hydrate, and screen time, which I think is super cute. So you get 25 sheets each, which is awesome. Next thing that I see here are these weekly overview notepads. So this is so good as well. Really love that. And it doesn't say how much is in here, but it looks like it's like a really decent amount. Next thing that I seen here is this dashboard, basically all about well-being. So love that. This is the overview, I guess, dashboard, and you can. What I love about this is you can put it on top of things and also like put sticky notes, and just do so many different things with it. So I'm really excited about this. This is like something that I've been looking to add to my planner. And then we got the journaling card. So we have the May journaling card as well as this really cute circle journaling card. And the last thing that is in here, which I'm going to open up, it says growth doesn't always feel like you're winning. So love that. So this is the, looks like the daily wellness bundle. And I'd love to know like how many days is this for? Maybe, let's see. Let's open it up and see what it actually tells us. So, oh, okay. I love this already. So we have a wellness log. I guess it looks like you can put your dates on this side, and then on top, I guess, the different activities that you want to do. So that's awesome. You got also the graph on that side. And then I guess this is like, I'd love to know how many days this is for. I don't know, maybe it's like 3 months or something, because I don't think this is for, oh, maybe it is for, I don't know. Well, it's front and back, so that's great. And it's definitely a lot. You definitely get like a whole bundle. So basically it says daily wellness, today's goals, activities, check-in, sleep, hours, amazing, good, okay, terrible, mood, water intake, affirmations, notes, nutrition. What does this say? Oh, and today was amazing, good, and okay. So love that. I love the water intake. I love the steps. This is such a good insert. I definitely, I think I want to like purchase this in a pocket size as well, just because I, as much as I love the mini happy planner size, it's not always convenient to travel. Like especially if you're going to the office every day, and so, which I'm not in the office every day, but, you know, basically like on the go. So, although you could carry like one sheet at a time into the office with you, so that might be like a good alternative, and you can just like pop it into your planner, or like carry like 7 pages worth at a time, you know, weeks worth, and then just pop it into your planner. So that might be like a good alternative to that. So I don't know, I might just do that. So anyways, I love this. I'm obviously not going to go through every single page because it looks like it's exactly the same, which is awesome. And it looks like we got more of the wellness log and more of the basically daily wellness insert type style. And some more graph paper, which is awesome. You could literally like put together a vision board. I mean, so many different things you can do with this. Oh, okay, and it has a demo page. Love that. Oh my god, I don't know what's wrong with me. I literally did not even realize that, the wellness, where is this? The wellness, the wellness log pages have little circles on the top, and you can put like the little circles, like the stickers from these here. Oh my god, I don't know why I did not think about that. Oh my god, look at that. Look, sleep, water, vitamins, strength. I don't know, what is that? Maybe like yoga or something. Steps and strength training, and then like different days, how much you got in. Oh my god, this is like everything. This is goals. I love this so much. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with it. I love this so much. It's just so convenient. Okay. I just bent the page. I'm so excited to use this. And yeah, so I think I want to like put this at like the beginning. So I remember, well, obviously I'm going to remember how to, okay, here we go. So I'll probably just do that. So anyways, as a quick recap of everything that we received in this month's box, we got the Daily Wellness Bundle. We got the Icon Activity Stickers, the Overview Clear Dashboard, this Wellbeing Dashboard, this Weekly Overview Notepad, these journaling cards, these half sticky notes, some window clings, a wellness dashboard, this essentials pouch, and of course the little cute information cards that come with the box. So definitely 100% worth this, 100% worth it. This box does retail. So I am I believe it's called a legacy subscriber. So I was charged $38 for this box, which is amazing. Such a good deal. Yeah, I think if you sign up today, it might be like $1 or $2 more than that. So yeah. But anyways, even if you, what is it, like maybe $39, $40, something in that range, still a really, really good, great value. You get so many different things, and it's a surprise every single month, and you can customize, you know, like dashboards and inserts and stuff like that to your planner size, which I love. So definitely, if you're on the edge or thinking about subscribing, I definitely recommend to subscribe. I think they even have an option to pause if you want to like pause for like a couple months or something like that. But I haven't really paused. I just kind of just am on the go. And I also do think that if you subscribe for like 6 months at a time or so, you get like a better discount deal than if you just are month by month. But I'm just month by month. It's just easier for me to keep track. And yeah, so anyways, I don't remember if I mentioned this, but this is the mini Happy Planner size for the dashboards and the inserts. $38, amazing value. The March 2022. Yes, we are in 2022. Subscription box. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what's your favorite thing in this month's box. So I think literally for me is probably like the wellness bundle, and I probably have to say 2 things, or I want to say 3 things. No, I'll say like 3 things. So the wellness sticker set, just because I realized you can use it with the daily wellness bundle, which I love, and also the overview tab divider, because I was gonna buy something like that anyways. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful week, and yeah, I'll see you guys next one. Thanks guys. Bye.